You're invited. Welcome to the Sauced World. In this video, you'll get to meet me, find out why I'm here on YouTube, get the story, find out what's next, and where else you can find us on social media. Welcome to the channel. I'm your gracious host, Marquita, CEO and creator of Sauce Myself clothing brand. It's a little bit about me. So I started my creative entrepreneur journey back in 2012 when I had my first spiritual awakening. It opened up the harsh reality to me that we are born into a world that's not really centered around supporting us as people, as creatives, as humans, as human beings. So I was then forth inspired to go on and create and be an entrepreneur, as cliche as it may sound, to change the world, impact the world in a very positive way, and hope that I could inspire others to do the same. So fast forward to summer 2020, we're in a pandemic. At this time, I was living in the state of Alaska, and I really didn't have a whole lot of friends, didn't really know a whole lot of people, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I came across the hobby of electric skateboarding back in 2019, and the pandemic ended up catapulting me straight into the hobby. I ordered my first board, I loved it. And how the brand came about is I wanted to wear specific types of clothing. I'm very much into streetwear. I like the area of the 90s. If you've ever looked at the 90s to see that the clothing and the creativity back then, in the 90s it was very thriving. You had all of these really awesome clothing patterns and shapes and colors, and art was just really big in the 90s. I love, it's one of my favorite eras pertaining to art in the 80s for music. So I just have a very creative sense of style. I like colors. I like for my clothes to pop. And I just had this idea of the things that I wanted to wear. And I wasn't able to really find it, in the stores. I would get lucky here and there, but I just thought to myself, I was like, okay, I'm not really finding things that I want to wear, so I gotta start designing it myself. Then I thought a little bit further, and I wanted to go ahead and make it a thing, and here we are with the Sauce Myself brand. I am looking forward to just making this a staple in the Eskate culture. And it's been so much fun, and I'm just loving the journey thus far. So what brings me to YouTube? Well, YouTube is definitely a great platform to be able to reach out to an audience. And with that reach, I'm hoping to create a community and just get to know more people in the space and connect more people in the space, as well as get more people into the hobby of Eskate. It's something that I absolutely love and enjoy, and I've had lots of conversations centered around electric skateboarding. It definitely is a conversation starter. It is one of those best kept secrets, and it's up and coming, and as much as we have people in the hobby, there's still a lot of people that don't know about it, and it just has great benefits to it. As far as increasing your quality of life and really having you more active, getting outside more, and just enjoying being a big kid or a little kid, because there are kids that enjoy the hobby as well, which I think is absolutely amazing. So YouTube is a great way to get the word out about Eskate, as well as get the word out about the brand, and create a culture, create a community, and connect people from all over the world. We definitely look forward to bringing some more content to the channel, quality content involving the Eskate culture. So we're going to be talking about products as well as knowledge, helpful information for any newcomers to the space, as well as people who've been around for a while, and start conversations about things like safety, industry standards, and just overall creativity and innovation within the culture. And even though the brand is inspired by Eskate, everything on this channel is not going to be super Eskate centered. We also want to have conversations around creative self-expression, which is one of the things that the brand is about, as well as fun, community. So we look forward to having conversations with people on the channel about how they got into Eskate, or things that they're working on, projects, creativity, getting to know people behind the board, so to speak, because people in this space, we're all very multifaceted and we all very much lead normal lives. And we can talk about those things as well, and how that ties in with Eskate and how those things just go hand in hand. So we look forward to bringing that type of content to the channel for you to enjoy and to consume, and hopefully through us bringing this content to you, we can continue to again connect and engage the community and bring some positive things to it. So that's my big super master plan. If all that sounds good and aligns with everything you have going on with your life right now, we definitely would love to have you as part of the Sauce community. In the description below, there is a link to sign up and join our email list so you can stay up to date with everything that's going on with the Sauce Myself brand. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone you want to introduce to the Eskate hobby. Until next time, make sure you have fun, be safe, and stay sauced.